it's Miss Kathy from Tuneful Teaching. Today I'm going to show you a song and an intervention for learning how to write letters on lines. I have a couple other videos that would be helpful for kids who are just struggling how to form the letters. Those use a brain gym strategy called Alphabet 8s. You can find those videos on my YouTube channel. This is for once the kids know how to form the letters, but they are struggling with where to place them on the lines. So I'm going to head over to my iPad so I can show you what this looks like. Okay, so you can see that we have two lines. The traditional way for handwriting is to use a three-line system with a dotted line in the middle. That's just really a lot of information for some kids, so I have found it's helpful to narrow it down and just use two lines, and then we classify the letters by either short letters that fit completely within those two black lines, or letters that start on the bottom but go a little bit taller, and then letters that go below and have a tail. So this is how this song goes. It's called Short Letters, Tall Letters, and Letters with a Tail. Very creative title. Letters on the black lines, most of them you'll find fit in the black lines in between. Letter A and then a C, around and down for E, circle for O, curvy S, straight line dot for I, letter N, then bump, bump M, down and a flag for R, U, V, W, X, then zig and zag for Z. 5 in the black lines also have a tail, 5 with a tail that hang below. Start with G, a circle and a tail, then down and up and around for P. J has a tail and a dot, and with Y and Q. 7 reach above the top line and touch the bottom line. 7 tall letters, here we go. D is a circle and a tall line, straight line L and curvy F. T is a cross, tall line hump for H, down and around for B, then K. We did it, we did it. We learned all 26, 14 short, 5 with a tail, and 7 are tall. Okay, so you can see how just organizing it in a different way and kind of deciding where the letters go on the lines might be helpful for some kids. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.